up, you guys? This is Shayna, and I'm so excited to make a few announcements. I kind of already did on Instagram, but I just wanted to go a little bit, quickly go in depth with my new journal workbook type thing. I'm really excited. First of all, happy 2-year lockversary to me. My journey went nothing like how I expected, but you know, it is what it is. Everyone's journey is different, and that's okay. I really expected my journey to be very easy. It wasn't. It wasn't at all. So the only thing that I wish I had during my journey when I first started my locks, or even when I first lost my hair and went on a whole journey of to redeem my hair and reconstruct it and grow my hair back, I wish I had this journal. And this is why I came up with this journal, because I feel like had I had something to express myself, my ups and downs of my journey, it would have taken my focus instead of me worrying about how if I was able to put it in here and keep up with all the things that this book requires you to do and stay consistent, I don't think I would have had a lot of the issues that I had outside of the allergic reaction. But I feel like I wouldn't have touched my hair nearly as much or anything like that. So this here is our hair growth journey journal / workbook. It's more of a workbook than a journal, but it allows you to have the perks of both, because I feel like self-care, self-love is so important, because when you're stressed, stress is one of the leading causes of hair loss. Whether you have a health issue or anything, stress will mess you up inside out. It will take your hair out. It will make you feel like you're having a heart attack. It can really mess you up mentally and physically. And I wish that I had this, because in this book, let me show you. In this book, of course, it's my lady, full hair, peaceful. And of course, you're able to put, this journal belongs to you. I have affirmations, because we need to constantly be reminded that we are that, of course. And so here, you're able to pretty much start off introducing your hair to you. I'm trying to see if it'll focus. Sorry if it doesn't. So here, it says your hair type, length, color, density, porosity, your hair concerns, your things your hair loves, the things your hair doesn't love. So your favorite hair products, shampoo, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, you have big spaces for all of that. And then your hair goals, you get 4 goals. My hair goals. And then you have your calendar, and you're able to keep up with what you're doing. That's how you stay consistent. You write it down, it's stuck in your head, and then you're able to also track your length right here, date, measurements, growth, and even notes for yourself. So right there. And also with that, I have length check shirts, so you can give yourself a visual and take pictures, and you can see your hair when it hits different lines. That's important. I'm a visual person. I have to see it before I can even believe it a lot of times. I have faith, but seeing is believing. More affirmations. My hair grows effortlessly. Like, you gotta manifest it. You gotta speak it. Speak it into your follicles. Do you hear me? It's so important. That was so important. Even in my hair growth journey, I had to stay positive. I had to speak it out loud, so my scalp knew, hey, we're making up. We're not breaking up no more. So even here, You can write your favorite daily affirmation, whether it pertains to hair or whatever it is that you have a problem with and you want to be better in. Today my hair feels, you can circle what day it is, your notes, products you use on your hair, a to-do list. One good thing that happened today, I'm grateful for. This is the self-care part. It's not hair related, but it's mental health related, and that's important. That's why I really want us as ladies to really speak life into each other and into ourselves, because we have to know our worth. Men too. This is the part for your journaling. Let's see if there's the focus right here. You can write about your day. If you need a lot of space, it's right here. You can write about your day right here. What you like, what you don't like, who pissed you off at work. That's what this is for. And you can do it every day. You don't have to always put your hair related stuff. You can just put your shopping list or the day, what you need to do for the day. I just wanted to provide an outlet for someone to be able to track what they're doing with their hair, especially if they're very dedicated to giving themselves consistent hair love, because love is in the hair. You hear me? So also I wanted to give people an opportunity, because these times have gotten really tough and we are really fragile and, you know, just very vulnerable. And I just wanted to give someone an opportunity to just get it off their chest, as well as being consistent and logging in through their hair journey. You can be hair growth, you can healthy hair. All of that is important. If you want to try some DIY stuff, put it in there. Measurements, all of that stuff is so important when you're trying to get the right consistency, the right amount of things when you're trying to do it. Now with this journal workbook, you can book a consultation with me and we can get you a hair regimen. That's not a problem. Or you can do a DIY, you can figure it out yourself. Even if you want to come back to me after you've logged in some stuff and we can talk about it, we can look at it and we can say, oh, okay, maybe you need to change this. I don't mind. You can book a consultation. I can wash your hair. I can tell you what products I think you should try. You can write them down and keep up with what each thing does to your hair, how it made your scalp feel, how to make your hair feel afterwards, like all of that stuff. But we can start with the workbook journal. We can talk about all of this. One thing about being a hairstylist, I've learned that I'm slick a hairstylist, slick a therapist, slick a doctor, a few things, a sister, a auntie, a godmother, all of it. And I'm here for all of it. But this is the next step. I want everybody to be consistent with their healthy hair care. It is so important, because if you do the work and be consistent, hold yourself accountable, still reach out to me or to whoever's in your circle, and we're gonna get it right. And you're gonna be consistent and you're gonna remember, oh, my hair loved this. Let me keep doing that because it's so manageable now. Or, oh, my hair didn't like that because it made it so frizzy. That's what it is. We have to keep up with the things that we do. We buy all these products and we don't know what it did, when it did it, or nothing. Got the answer to it right here. We talk about it. You can talk about it on this side or you can talk about it on the journal side. It's up to you, but it's here. And the good thing is it is on Amazon. So you look up My Hair Growth Journey by Naomi's Remedy. Naomi's Remedy is named after my grandmother, who also I used her name for my daughter's middle name. Naomi means a lot to me because my grandmother was my everything, and she was so in tune with, she had a remedy for everything. She was a seamstress, she was the minister of music. Y'all, she did upholstery, she could cook. She did some of everything. And it just reminded me that I can do whatever I want to do too. And having this product line named after her, it just shows me that all things are possible. I never thought that I would have the guts to start a product line. And now I do, because I think about my grandmother and how she just made it happen. She wanted curtains, she made them and put them up. She made me rompers. Like, I wanted a jumpsuit, she just made it. How awesome is that? Like, we all have the opportunities. We all have it in us. We all have the drive to do what we need to do. But a lot of us just lack consistency. Me being one of them as well. But that has all changed because I tapped into my own Naomi and found the remedy for not being consistent. So for our hair, as your hairstylist, this is your part. This is what you do to stay consistent. And also it's fun. Like, you just get to log it in and keep up with what you're doing. And I just really encourage you all to get one. Journals have always been fun. But now when you're on a journey and you need just a little bit more discipline, this is what you use. This is what you do. You log it in, you keep up with what you're doing, because we have so many things that can take our hair out, so many things that we neglect, so many things that we do too much of, and we're not consistent. But we can log it in, and you gotta stay consistent, but we can log it in, we can keep up with what we're doing, and it's cute, right? It's cute. But yes, I love it. And I am going to have them for pickup as well. I had to order one just to make sure. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of my copies in. And I'm going to be doing a pop-up in July on the 19th. It's going to be here at Elite Salon Suites. And Cali Bear Boutique will be here as well. Naomi's Remedy will be here together. We are going to have journals. We're going to have edge control, scalp scrubs, Cali Bear butter, Cali Bear bowls. We're going to have everything. So I hope you guys come out. You can find this on Amazon, and you can get your journal. And the edge control is available on hairremedybysheena.com. And so are the other mini products that I have. I'm going to end it here. Thanks for your time, and happy 2-year Lockversary to me. And I hope you all will be reaching out to me once you get your journals and get you a little length check shirt, and we're gonna be in this together. So until then, happy hair growth. Like my auntie would say, more hair to me, more hair to you.